I'm Dir Balin Henry, music producer, video director, and also content creator. Now today I have another new tutorial. Leo nimetengeneza beat ya Pressure ya Guardian Angel in Ohangla version. Kindly before I get into the program, nawaomba sana subscribe to my YouTube account so that it might grow more than the way imeshafika. At least nasapata pia vile na push nayo kazi zangu, but for those who are subscribe, may God bless you. So let's dive into the program direct. Nilianza na kick and kick yangu inatokanga kwa groove agent, and then I have the snare. Already nimeshatengeneza kila kitu, so like hi-hat nimeongeza apart from vile natengenezanga shakers. Naongeza na shakers. Then you can hear that. The pressure and social media. That's the thing, that's the rhythm of the song, so here we go. Send your song, Pressure, social media ya Guardian Angel, and now nilikuwa nishatengeneza kila kitu, so that's the thing into there. That's the thing. So ni short but naenda kuleta a full beat on my YouTube channel, so kindly remember to subscribe, and for those who are subscribing, for those who are sharing, thank you so much. Next thing ni kuweka vocal kwa hii beat, then tuone inakuaje. May God bless you.